Hey guys, I'm Tyler, and today we're taking a look at the Flair PRO3, a fully manual lever-based espresso maker, and why it's a good fit for anyone brewing espresso at home. So, what is a fully manual lever-based espresso maker? Well, in a nutshell, a manual espresso system means that there are no powered or mechanized parts used to produce the espresso. This means you, the barista, are the power source used to pull the shot by lowering this lever and forcing the water through the coffee puck. Brewing on a manual machine like the PRO3 is a slow espresso experience and transforms your morning espresso making routine from a push-button process to a work of creativity. We always say brewing espresso on a Flair is like cooking your own dinner as opposed to getting takeout or making something in the microwave. It's really all about the process and the experience. Being a manual espresso maker also means you have complete control over all brew variables, like how much coffee you use, how long your shot takes, how hot your water is, or how much pressure you brew with. Why is it important to have control over these variables? Well, brewing espresso is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Each coffee is different, so getting the best out of each roast means tweaking some or all of these variables so your espresso tastes the way it's meant to. Most at-home semi-automatic espresso machines only allow you to use your choice of coffee. Most everything else is left up to the machine. And if you want something that does give you full control, the price can be 10 times what the PRO3 costs at just $325. Another reason why the PRO3 is great for anyone brewing espresso at home is when it comes to durability, this guy is built to last a lifetime. The base and lever arm are made of cast aluminum, and the thin-walled brew cylinder and portafilter are composed of stainless steel. The parts that do wear out, like the gaskets, can be easily replaced, meaning your PRO3 can and should last for a lifetime of brewing. Now, let's talk about the small footprint of the PRO3. Made to be compact, yet effective, the PRO3 fits easily on any countertop. When compared to semi-automatic machines, the PRO3 takes up about half the space on your countertop and easily breaks down into the custom carrying case. This is great for anyone who has a small kitchen but a big espresso appetite. Finally, even while being able to control all brew variables, the PRO3 was built with a simplified workflow in mind. The thin-walled brew cylinder was designed with the intention of eliminating the preheat process so you can get to brewing as fast as possible. And the included pressure gauge and integrated shot mirror mean you can dial in your espresso and keep it consistent throughout the entire bag of coffee. Once you get your process down, we find that most people can complete their shot of espresso in less than 3 minutes. So, this is why we think a manual espresso maker like the PRO3 is great for brewing espresso at home. Do you have one? Let us know how it's going for you in the comments.